Revision on general knowledge. Geography. Revision on the geography of the world. Imaginary circles or lines on Earth parallel to the equator measured in degrees north and south of the equator are called latitudes. Imaginary lines running from north to south pole measured in degrees east and west of the Greenwich Meridian are called longitudes. They are also called meridians. There are 360-degree lines of longitude divided up into 24 groups of 15 degrees each. An area of 15 degrees of longitudes is called a time zone and has its own local time. There are two kinds of time: local and standard time. Time recorded from the position of the midday sun, 12 o'clock noon, is known as local time. The local time of a particular place used all over the world is known as standard time. The standard time of the whole world is the GMT, Greenwich Meridian Time, or Universal Time. The Greenwich Meridian passes through two towns, namely Accra in Ghana and Greenwich in Britain. 15 degrees of longitude marks a difference in time of 1 hour. The Earth rotates from west to east, so places in the east will see the sun before places in the west. Longitudes are used to calculate local time. Lines of longitudes and latitudes are used to locate places on the Earth's surface. The international date line, which when crossed, a day is lost or gained, is longitude 180 degree. Longitudes and latitudes also help captains of ships and pilots of planes during their journeys. Longitudes and latitudes divide the world into major climate zones, namely North and South Tropical or Torrid Zone, with hottest climate; North and South Temperate Zone, with moderate climate; and the North and South Frigid Zone, cold deserts. The most important latitude is latitude 0 degree, which is the equator. The equator is also known as latitude 0 degree. A line that divides the world into two hemispheres or two parts is known as the equator. The Greenwich Meridian is also known as longitude 0 degree. A large body of land fully or partially or completely surrounded by water is called a continent. Large bodies of salty water which surround the continents are called oceans. The most important and busiest ocean in the world is the Atlantic Ocean. The deepest ocean is the Pacific Ocean. The largest ocean is the Pacific Ocean. The coldest ocean is the Arctic Ocean. The largest continent of the world is Asia. The second largest continent is Africa. The smallest continent is Australia. The coldest continent is Greenland. The inhabitants of Greenland are called Eskimos. The largest island in world is Greenland. The highest mountain range in the world is the Himalayas. The highest mountain in the world is Mt. Everest in Naples, China. The Earth is usually referred to as the world. The world resembles a globe more than a world map. 29% of the Earth's surface is made up of land, while 71% is made up of water. Examples of hot deserts in the world are Sahara, Atacama, and Kalahari. The Sahara Desert is found in North Africa. The Kalahari Desert is found in South Africa. The hottest desert in the world is the Sahara Desert. The ship of the hot deserts is the camel. The coldest desert in the world is Northern Siberia. The ship of the cold desert is the reindeer. There are 5 oceans in the world, namely Pacific, Atlantic, Indian, Arctic, and Antarctic Oceans. Large bodies of water partly enclosed by land are called seas. The largest sea in the world is the Mediterranean Sea. Large bodies of water completely surrounded by land are called lakes. A large body of land surrounded by water is called island. The largest lake in the world is called Caspian Sea.